Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Durango SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BA SXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7-passenger seating, black cloth low back bucket seats, SiriusXM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage, high AKPR6GU. For more info call 800-643-2112, white knuckle clear coat, rear wheel drive and power.